Across vast fields stretching to the horizon, golden ears of sweet corn sway gently under the blazing sun. But behind this peaceful scene lies a massive system working day and night to deliver to the world a sweet gift from nature, sweet corn. This seemingly simple crop plays the leading role in an extraordinary journey, from tiny seedlings nestled in rich soil, to finely processed canned corn reaching millions of households worldwide. Today, let's dive into that very journey, where every kernel not only brings nutrition but also fuels the heartbeat of modern agriculture. Sweet corn isn't just a popular food, it's the green gold of today's farming industry. Every year, tens of millions of tons of sweet corn are harvested across global farmlands, from North America to Europe, China to South America. Growing sweet corn requires precision. Each plant needs 25 to 50 millimeters of water per week, delivered evenly via advanced center pivot irrigation systems. These metal arms slowly spin across the field, ensuring every row gets the moisture it needs, saving water, boosting yield. When harvest season arrives, massive machines like the John Deere S-Series or Claas Lexion roar into action. These iron giants can reap thousands of tons of corn per day, far outpacing what human hands alone could ever achieve. Fresh off the field, the corn doesn't go straight to market. It undergoes a rigorous process at the sweet corn canning plants. Here, workers carefully inspect each cob. Only the freshest, juiciest, and most uniform ears are selected to move down the line. Sophisticated machines then precisely strip the kernels, avoiding damage and preserving their natural flavor. Next, the golden kernels are loaded into cans. A specialized system pumps in brine or syrup, sealing in the corn's taste and freshness. The cans then pass through high-temperature, high-pressure sterilization chambers, ensuring long shelf life and food safety. Each kernel isn't just food, it's the result of countless hands, from the farmers tending crops to the engineers running machines, from the packers to the quality controllers. Canned corn is one of the most widely processed corn products on earth, found in everything from salads to soups, fast food to traditional meals. Moreover, corn is packed with fiber, B vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, making it a powerhouse for all kinds of diets, from plant-based to wellness-focused. It represents the deep bond between land, people, and technology. And so, from a tiny sprout in a faraway field, sweet corn has traveled an incredible journey to become the tasty staple we enjoy every day. Together, we've followed that journey, from endless farmland to cutting-edge factories, from the sweat of farmers to the hum of machinery. This is not just the story of sweet corn. It's the story of faith, effort, and the miracles of modern agriculture. So next time you crack open a can of sweet corn, remember that humble kernel has traveled a long way. From dirt to dinner table, it's touched the lives of countless people and machines, working together in perfect sync. This is more than a farming story. It's a story of trust, passion, and the quiet brilliance of modern agriculture. See you again in the next adventure, where we continue exploring the wonders that spring from the soil that's been nourishing humankind for generations. Thanks for joining me on this journey.